So for this discussion, I chose to focus a lot on psychologists. My name is Murdock. It was originally Paisley Rasmussen. I think it still is in Ireland, but I'm working on getting my name changed after getting married. So some duties of psychologists and kind of what their job description entails, they like to study emotional, social, and cognitive processes and behavior by kind of seeing how people react to either other people in their environments or other factors. With these findings, they can help improve others by helping them understand why our actions or why our feelings tend to lead us to do certain actions. And through these, help them kind of elevate the standard of their lives. The required education for licensed psychologists is typically a doctoral degree. And most psychologists tend to get PsyDs and become doctor of psychologists. There's also the Doctor of Philosophy and Psychology, which is a very popular one for many psychologists. Personal relations. So my career path and kind of my 4-year plan, I'm working on currently my bachelor's degree, obviously, but I hope to continue on and to get a doctorate in psychology. I know that my 4-year plan and kind of the bachelor's degree and some of the internships I'm looking at will help me gain those skills that I need in order to help me perform well later on in life once I do want to become a therapist or a psychologist. I have multiple different reasons for majoring in psychology, but mainly I want to help other people understand themselves and help improve the lives of those people. I'm also highly fascinated with human behaviors, the way the brain works, and kind of how certain feelings will lead to actions and how we can change those negative actions to be positive and to be good. And these reasons are very similar to the ones mentioned in chapter 13. But saying that, I don't think the reasons are bad at all. In fact, looking at most of the reasons, I think those are very admirable and good reasons for wanting to go into a career. And I know that this career is very fitted to my skills and for what I have. I enjoy people, I enjoy being around people, and I enjoy helping others, and especially seeing their potential, and that's what brings me great joy and fulfillment. Also, here's a picture of me. My husband took it when we were in Oregon. And anyway, so that's a bit about me and a bit about psychologists and their degrees and other things that they do.